AI robots are no longer a distant dream or science fiction. They're here, and they're more real, more capable, and more advanced than ever before. In 2024, the line between science fiction and reality is blurring faster than we ever imagined. From robots that mimic human behavior to AI systems that think, learn, and evolve, the future is already knocking at our door. But here's the shocking truth. AI robots are becoming too real. Let's dive into the jaw-dropping breakthroughs that are shaping the world of AI and robotics this year. In 2024, we're seeing robots that look and act just like us. We're talking about lifelike humanoid robots that can move with fluidity, express emotions, and even understand complex conversations. These robots are so real, you might mistake them for humans at first glance. Meet the latest creation from companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and even startups you've never heard of. Robots like Tesla's Optimus are not only walking on two legs, but they're also learning how to handle real-world tasks, from assisting in warehouses to even performing in customer service roles. These robots are designed to seamlessly interact with us, and as they evolve, they're becoming harder to distinguish from real people. What's even more shocking is how fast these robots are learning and evolving. Thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, these robots are not just pre-programmed machines. They're capable of learning new skills on their own, adapting to their environment, and solving problems in real time. Take a look at this robot solving a puzzle. It's not following a set of instructions. It's learning by trial and error, just like we would. This rapid learning ability is powered by deep learning algorithms that allow AI robots to improve their performance with every task they perform. The more they learn, the better they get. It's like they're developing a mind of their own. But with these advancements comes a pressing question. What happens to our jobs? As robots get better at mimicking human actions, they're starting to replace humans in more and more fields. AI and robotics are already revolutionizing industries like manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and even entertainment. In healthcare, we're seeing robots perform surgeries with incredible precision. In logistics, robots are packing and sorting items faster and more efficiently than any human worker could. In fact, autonomous delivery trucks and drones are starting to handle deliveries, while robots in warehouses are taking over jobs once done by humans. It's both exciting and terrifying. These advancements are creating huge efficiencies, but they also raise the very real possibility of widespread job displacement. So, what does that mean for the future of work? Are we prepared for a world where AI robots are everywhere? While these robots seem incredibly helpful, they also raise a host of ethical concerns. We've all heard the stories of rogue AI, the ones that turn against their creators or malfunction in catastrophic ways. But is that really the future we're heading toward? Or is there a more insidious danger? Robots that are too smart for their own good. Some experts warn that the more advanced these robots get, the more we need to worry about their autonomy. Can we trust AI to make decisions that are in our best interest? As robots begin to make real-time decisions, we're faced with the terrifying question of who controls them. What happens when AI learns to make choices without human oversight? Thankfully, for now, safety measures are in place. But as robots gain more power and independence, how long will it be before we reach a tipping point? These are the questions that will shape the future of robotics and AI, and they're questions we all need to be thinking about. But let's not forget the positive impact of these incredible breakthroughs. AI robots are already enhancing our lives in ways we never imagined. From robots that help with household chores to AI systems that assist in creative fields like art, music, and even writing, the possibilities are endless. In fact, robots are starting to collaborate with humans in artistic fields, producing music, paintings, and even helping with design. AI is not just replacing jobs. It's creating new opportunities for collaboration and innovation. As we look to the future, one thing is certain. AI and robotics are only going to get more real, more powerful, and more integrated into our daily lives. The question is, How do we embrace these technologies responsibly? How do we ensure they benefit us all rather than cause harm? Stay tuned, because the world of AI and robotics is evolving faster than we can imagine, and we're just getting started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest breakthroughs in AI and robotics. Until next time, stay curious.